We know how important your customers are to you, and we know that an extra special something can go a long way. Now, with branded inserts, you can include an extra thank you, a discount, a QR code for reviews, links to your social profiles, or anything else in every order that contains items from a supporting print provider. For the time being, branded inserts are only available with certain print providers, but don't worry, we have plans to expand. Let's start by seeing which t-shirts have this option currently available. Under t-shirts, we can filter by branding and inserts. We see that there are 6 shirts to choose from. I'll select the Next Level 3600 and scroll down to see my print provider options. I see that Demona Tee offers branded inserts. If I click on More Details, then Branding, I can set up branding in my store settings from here. Or I can get to my store settings by clicking Manage My Stores, then Settings. If you have multiple stores, you'll have to do this separately for each store, and for each store, you can create a custom insert. Now find Branding and start designing or edit design. You can design your insert using the mockup generator just like you'd design any other product. I'm going to save my design as a template so I can easily adjust it later without having to recreate it. Now, preview and save your product. Finally, you'll need to enable the feature by toggling here, and all eligible orders will include your branded insert. Let's see how an order would look. In the order details, we can see that an insert is attached. If at any point I want to change my insert, I can do this by following the same steps. However, the updated insert will only apply to new orders, not existing ones. In other words, our system remembers the insert design that was attached at the time of order creation. As an example, I'll change my insert. Now, if I get any new orders or duplicate this order, it'll have the updated insert. While we don't have an automatic way to create personalized inserts for every single order just yet, this is a way to send special messages. One thing to keep in mind, if you have order routing enabled for your store, the insert will not be included in the order if it is routed to a different print provider. We've created our branded insert. Let's see what it looks like from our package now. And of course, if you still have questions, drop us a comment below. Then like and subscribe to our channel for all your Printify tutorials.